Welcome back. This is Gauge Reality on YouTube. Just like I said in the last video, if you could like, comment, and subscribe to the channel Gauge Reality along with Instagram and Facebook, I gratefully appreciate it. And if you don't like the video, do a thumbs down and comment below. Let me know if it's something that I missed or something you would like for me to cover, and I'll try to incorporate that into the next video. So like I was telling you the last time, I will be participating in a 2-gun match in Augusta, Georgia, sharpshooters range. I'm gonna use my Glock 17, it's a Gen 3, along with my Sub 2000, the Glock 17 model, and this is a Gen 2 Sub 2000. So I'm doing this video because I have a couple of things I'm going to change to the Glock 17. And this is gonna roll out into like 3 videos. Number 1, I have an aim surplus barrel I'm gonna put in. I also have some skateboard tape I'm gonna put on the slide, along with putting Talon grips onto the grips. So if you could follow me along, watch the videos, check it out. Maybe this is something that you may wanna do to your firearm. As you can see, for the Sub 2000, I have installed the excuse me, the Magpul foregrip, and it's an ASG version of the Magpul foregrip. And I took it to the range the other day. I really enjoyed it. It feels great. It's natural. So I think this will definitely help me out with my accuracy and how I hold and aim the carbine, and definitely looking forward to using this in the match. So what we're gonna do on this video is we're gonna put the Talon grips on. So as you can see, the Glock 17 is clear, there's no magazine, and the chamber's clear. So we'll go ahead and we can take it apart. All right, so we don't need the slide. So we'll take the slide off, and all we need is just the bottom half, right? And for the Sub 2000, we can actually just kind of move this out of the way. I'll just lay this down up here. And excuse me. So I have a lot of packages. You can't really see them all off camera. So I've had these guns for some time now, a few years now, and I've ordered several items for these guns, and I just have not installed them. I even have packages for other guns that I own that I haven't installed, you know, different parts or upgrades for the guns. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to do these videos and install those items, just like the Talon grips, the barrel, and the skateboard tape for this Glock 17. And you know, you'll see more videos in the future that I'm gonna roll out with different things. Just like, you know, I have a string light for my Smith & Wesson shield that I haven't even put on yet. I've had it for for a long time. I can't even think about how long I had it, and it's still in the box. I found it the other day when I was looking for my Talon grips. So just little stuff like that. So I think this is the package. It actually does not tell me where it was shipped from. So I'm going to open it up and see if the Talon grips are in here. I actually think there are because it's a flat package. And for those of you who do not know what Talon grips are, basically, and this is not for the Talon grips, this is a microphone adapter. So I need to find the right package. So for those of you who don't know what Talon grips are, basically with Glock pistols, especially these Gen 3 pistols, you don't get a lot of abrasion or adhesive or traction, let's say that word, on the grips. So as your palms get sweaty, the more you're shooting, let's say for instance you're in the rain, or let's say for instance you're in battle and you're bleeding, you got blood all over the grips, it's gonna get very slippery and the gun may fall out of your hand. So those Talon grips help for better grip or traction. So unlike my Smith & Wessons, I have a couple of Smith & Wesson 2.0s, and the grips on those guns, a lot of people say that they're very, very aggressive. Me personally, I actually like those grips on the Smith & Wesson. So when you buy the Smith & Wessons, they're typically going to be about $80 to $100 less than buying the comparable Glock pistol, but they're going to come with traction. So you don't have to actually buy Talon grips on top of that, where, you know, the Talon grips are like 10 to 20 bucks. It really depends on what kind you get, but that's an added feature that Smith & Wesson just gives you with the gun that you don't really get with Glocks. So let me actually, I know this is the barrel, see if I can find those grips.
So I have a lot going on, a lot of packages and items that I have not looked into. And haven't
opened. Oh, I think this is it. All right, here we go. Here we go, grips. All right, so this is it. So now I can open up the right package. So just like I said, I have a lot of stuff that I have not opened for my guns. A lot of guns that I haven't shown, a lot of people haven't seen, so we're gonna go from there. And so, all right, and so actually, these are not Talon grips. I'm telling you, it's been years since I bought these, and so these are Handle it grips. These are Handle it grips. So it's just a different company, but I remember buying them now, and I bought them because they were gray. That's exactly why I bought them. So we're gonna do that. It's my first time doing this, and let's see if it'll work
on camera and go from there. So it says confirm that your firearm is unloaded and safe. That's done. Thoroughly clean the surface of your firearm where the grip is to be installed. Ensure that the area is free of oil and grit. Wiping it down. I have a microfiber cloth right here. Let's wipe it down. Put that there.
Rubbing alcohol. Boom. They give you a little sterilizing pad with rubbing alcohol right here, and we'll get all the oil off from my
hand or when I was cleaning it or what have you, and just rub it down, and that's just going to add for better traction. And just like I said, I've had these grips so long I even forgot that they were not Talon grips. So hopefully the adhesion is still good, because they've been sitting in the package for a few years now. So hopefully they're still good. So let the surface dry completely before installing the grips. Very important. If you do not let the surface dry, it will not adhere. Test the fitting of the grip with the backing still on in alignment. Once you have determined the proper alignment, remove the backing. Avoid touching the adhesive backing as much as possible, and apply the rubber grip gently while checking the alignment. Alright? Once the grip has been firmly pressed, and the rubber grip with a hairdryer, I don't have a hairdryer, but I do have a torch, so we'll see if that'll work. Warning, do not allow cleaning fluids or solvents to come in contact with the rubber grip. It will dissolve the adhesion and the grip will come off. If you choose to remove the rubber grip, it will easily peel off. Any residual adhesion can be removed with rubbing alcohol. Alright, so basically, I've been rubbing this grip until all of the alcohol has dried out of the paper, so I'm going to stop now.
Throw that to the side. Alright. Just kind of hate they don't give you a paper. I'm like, where does this go? All right, so it's dry now. I'm gonna go ahead and fit the grips to the gun. Let's see. right, so that works out, looks good. So let's go ahead, peel it off.
All right, so story of my life, I can never get things lined up. Here we go. All right. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on the Glock
square on the side right here first, on one side, smooth it out, and then I'll wrap it over to the other side versus trying to do both sides at the same time. And that worked out perfectly. That's perfect. So trying to do both sides at the same time actually doesn't work. So with me putting it on the Glock emblem, the square emblem right here, and then wrapping it around was better. So not really sure why they put these cuts right here where your thumb kind of goes, but I guess those cuts work better when going into that indentation with a cut. I don't know, I have no idea. But anyway, this is fine. And I actually like these. It's, you know, it's not like this is like the rubberized grip. It's not like the skateboard sandpaper type. So this is good. And then this piece, what I was a little confused about before, actually goes on the back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Peel that off. So this is pretty easy. This is something that you can do yourself. You don't have to send it off to a gunsmith to get it done. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to go right above the little hole there for your there you go, and that works perfect. So let's mold the hand to it, and this is good. That feels great. So, you know, having proper grip on the gun means everything, and being able to grip it and have great control of it is the beginning stages of actually accuracy, you know what I mean? So I'm actually excited about this. I'm gonna actually take this to the range tonight, and I'm gonna do some dry fire drills and work it out of the holster. Okay, and so now at this point, I'm supposed to hit it with the blow dryer. So I don't have a blow dryer, so I'm gonna improvise. And hopefully I don't burn my grips, but I'm gonna just let a little bit of heat get to it. Woo! Shit, burn me. A little bit of heat get to it. And that's supposed to help the adhesion. All right, it's great there. Oh man, damn. It's nice and warm, that feels good. Feels great. Man, I like this. This is good, this is nice. That's very nice. It's very nice. I should have done this a long time ago, but excuse me, when you're carrying other pistols and you have more than one gun, you have options. So let's go ahead and put it back together. All right, so that's it right there. What do you think? You know, is this something you would do to your gun so you can make sure you have great grip? If it is, comment below. Let me know. What do you think about it? And we'll go from there. This is Gage Reality. Please follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook, along with watching the videos. I really do appreciate you. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I would gratefully appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye. We're out.